Hi, I'm Subayal from Subayal.com, and today I'm going to share about how I make money while I sleep. Remember, we all have 24 hours in a day, and if we are only trading our time for money, guess what? We cannot create generational wealth, and we will eventually hit a glass ceiling. I came to Europe in 2004, which is 17 years back. And when I arrived in Sweden, I met local people there and slowly started to realize that it doesn't need to be this way. Over the coming decade, I met many great people, including many multimillionaires from all over Scandinavia, to whom I am really grateful. They all had different journeys of life, backgrounds, and approached life in a different way. However, they all saw life as a growth centric experience and had passive income streams which were paying them. So that is why I believe that what I'm going to share with you in this video will give you a lot of clarity and help you in living the life of fulfillment and financial confidence. So first, let's see exactly what passive income means. Now, the term passive income can be misleading, since people sometimes get an impression that it is a way to make money without any upfront investment of time or money or both. So that is absolutely incorrect. So in case of passive income, you either spend money or time or both upfront to either create an asset or acquire an asset, or else get control of an asset for a specific time frame, and then that asset will then pay you while you sleep or with little to no effort from your side. So now it is clear that passive income can only come as a consequence of owning or controlling an asset, and it then makes you money. So it is not a magic wand which will rain money from the sky without any initial investment of time or money from your side. So once you have set up these income sources, they will pay you while you sleep, and now they are detached from the investment of time from your side. So this is what passive income actually means. And now let's have a look at the income streams which we have mentioned in this video. So in today's video, we will talk about 5 income streams which can easily make you well over 500 US dollars a month, and later on you can reinvest that income to possess more assets that will pay you passively till the point where you can pay your living expenses with that. Your time can now be spent to create the business that you always wanted to start, the skills that you wanted to learn to start a new career that you wanted, and increase your income as a consequence of that. And you can even learn a high income skill during that time. For example, high ticket sales. I personally teach a course related to high ticket sales on SKILLSHARE, which will help you in mastering the art of high ticket sales. And afterwards, you can join any industry as a salesperson with confidence, conviction, and clarity. And you can even provide sales closing as a service to influencers or to businesses. But it can be any skill that can even help you in starting your own self-employed business or career of your choice, or even help you scale your current business, which is centered on your natural inclination and the work that you love to do. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 5 different passive income ideas which you can start to create solid passive income streams. So the first one is online courses, meaning sharing the skills by creating a digital asset. So we all have skills that can be of a lot of value to many people. Sometimes as humans, we suffer from imposter syndrome. We try to underestimate the value which we can bring to the lives of other people. But we have to understand that our perception of value might not be congruent or aligned with other people. So basically, you can teach people any skill that you have which will bring value to their lives. It can be as simple skill as doing roller skating or some board game that you enjoy. It can even be your favorite video game or anything which you think people will love to learn. Put yourself in the shoes of other people for a moment. There are 8 billion people on earth, and you know that you also once learned the video game which you enjoy. In the beginning, when you were learning it, you faced many challenges. They can be as simple as keyboard shortcuts or any strategies that you learned after a few months or weeks. Just make a beginner's course on that and give it a go. Even if it fails, no problems. Refine your skills, learn from your mistakes, and keep going. The whole point is you don't know what you don't know. It might be the opportunity that will give you the initial boost of confidence you need to step up your game. Always share your knowledge, and it is perfectly fine to make a beginner's course first. Don't you think that if there are hundreds of thousands of people looking for an advanced course, there will most likely be the same amount of or even more people trying to learn the skill from the start? Let me show you my course on Udemy. I procrastinated for 2 years before putting it on Udemy, and see where it has gone. It is the highest rated course in its category. I also wrote a book on the sales skills that I developed, which is right here. So you see, never underestimate yourself and always share. You will be surprised to see how much opportunities it can bring to your life that will further accelerate your success. If you want to master the art of high ticket sales with no prior background in sales, you can try my SKILLSHARE course on high ticket sales by following the link in the description below. And if you have not registered to SKILLSHARE already, I will leave a link in the description so that you can sign up, and in this way you can help the channel, and I will be grateful for that. So the second passive income stream which I'm going to discuss in this video is dividend paid by companies. So first of all, we need to understand what a dividend is and how can we start some good passive income through dividends. So whenever we buy the shares of a company by getting involved in a stock market, we are in fact becoming part owners of the company. In this way, the company gets the money or capital which it needs to expand its business or else innovate to create new products that will serve their targeted market. Therefore, surely your contribution as a shareholder is of value to the company, and without shareholders like us, these businesses won't be able to operate. So some companies reward their shareholders by sharing a part of the income of the company with shareholders. This income which is shared with the shareholders is called dividend. Now you must understand that not all companies pay dividends, and it depends on the board of directors. The money is paid out as dividends to shareholders on monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis. Now, for example, if you buy 10 stocks of a company with $10 each, it means that the total amount spent by you is $100. If the company pays you $8 per year in total as a dividend, it means that you have been paid 8% of the $100 you invested to buy the shares in the form of a dividend. This percentage is called percentage yield. So likewise, if you buy 10 shares of another company with $200 and you get only $8 in total as dividends after 1 year, it means your percentage yield is now just 4%. So a percentage yield shows you how much money you make in 1 year in proportion to what you invested by buying the shares of that company. So now it is clear that you don't need to be a multimillionaire to own the part of a company. In fact, you can simply buy shares of a company to become a part owner of the publicly traded companies. You can simply buy shares of companies which have a good record of paying the dividends to shareholders. And it is very easy to find such companies. You can easily purchase the stocks of companies by using the M1 Finance app, which I have linked in the description below. If the promotion is still ongoing, you can easily earn $30 by signing up via my link, and the channel will also benefit from that. I will be grateful for your support. And if you are in the UK, you can purchase the stocks of companies by using the free trade app, which I have also linked in the description below. If the promotion is still ongoing, you can earn a free share worth £3 all the way up to 200 Great British pounds by signing up via my link, and the channel will also benefit from it. I will be grateful for your support. And the third passive income stream is serviced accommodation. And over here, you only control an asset. Now, you might be hearing the stories of real estate billionaires and multimillionaires, but let me tell you this, you don't need $10,000 and you don't even need to own a property to make money in real estate. You can simply jumpstart into the serviced accommodation business, or else you can rent out a property with multiple rooms and rent it out on a room by room basis. This will help you in generating revenue from the property, which will far surpass the rent which you can pay to the landlord who actually owns the property. Now, I will be honest here. Due to COVID-19 and the resulting travel restrictions and lockdowns, the serviced accommodation industry has suffered, but nothing lasts forever. In my case, I am making well over $700 in net profit from a property in central London which has 3 bedrooms. It was rented on a room by room basis due to COVID-19 travel restrictions and was not even a serviced accommodation property for many months. But we will convert it to serviced accommodation in July of 2021, which is just after a month of recording this video. And we already know that the occupancy of around 70% is very easy to achieve in central London. So it will give a profit of around $1,700, which is mind blowing considering the fact that I just paid $6,600 in all to get involved. That included a $2,400 sourcing fee, furnishing fee, first month rent, and some other expenses. We got bookings already 2 months ahead in advance, which shows that the demand is there and the nightly rates are very decent in central London. And the fourth passive income stream is buy to let properties, which pay the mortgage, generate income, and also appreciate in value. So once you have savings of around $20,000, you can mortgage a small 2-bed apartment or a studio in a good area, and the bank can give you the rest of the money, which you can pay in small installments each month back. The total price of such a property can be between $150,000 to $250,000 here in the UK, depending on the location. Now, the beauty of this is that not only you will be getting small rental income of around $100 to $200, but at the same time, the rental income will pay the mortgage. So basically in 20 years, you will own the house or apartment and also accumulate some nice cash each month. But that is not all. Absolutely not. In fact, you will also leverage what we call capital appreciation, meaning the prices of houses double each decade here in the UK in many areas. Now, this is getting really interesting, isn't it? But you have to remember that it depends on the area also. So there is no guarantee that each property will double in price every 10 years. However, if you look at it over a long-term period, say 30, 40 or 50 years, then it could be said that property prices double on average every 10 years here in the UK. And I think it is also the case in the USA. Please let me know in the comments below what is the situation in USA, because I'm interested to know. You will be shocked to know that back in 1952, the average price of a property in the UK was around $2,600. This can be compared to the most recent data from 2017, in which the average price of a UK property was around $325,000. This is a mind-blowing increase of 140 times. Isn't that brilliant? So if you do your research wisely, you are up for some serious gains. While doing these calculations, I am assuming that 1 Great British Pounds is equal to $1.3. And the fifth passive income stream, which we are going to discuss in this video, is a very interesting and unconventional one and is often overlooked. And that is online marketplaces. So using online marketplaces or platforms to generate income streams via replication. Now, you must have noticed in the video so far that I emphasize on the streams of income. What if I told you that you can use the power of dissemination and platforms to duplicate or multiply your income streams? Meaning you have to do very little work now to use your previously created digital assets or online courses to create more income streams. Now, your content is your content and you own it. So you can upload the same course lectures to Udemy, to Skillshare, and many other platforms and simply create more income streams from the same course with very little additional investment of time from your side. Currently, my highest rated high ticket sales course has also started to generate the income from Skillshare, which was initially only available on Udemy. I only uploaded the same course lectures to Skillshare and it generated an additional income stream for me. How awesome is that? It took me only half an hour to upload the course lectures to Skillshare, and here we go. I got, as I mentioned, another income stream with an additional investment of just half an hour of my time. So why can't you do the same? So let's do it together. Let's use these 5 different strategies to create passive income and let's make money together. We are very privileged to be living in times where we can harness the power of internet to connect with people anywhere in the world and help them in achieving what they want. All what we need to do is to take action and monetize our talents and skills. I hope that this video has given you a lot of clarity on different ways of generating passive income that might be difficult for the beginners to understand and exploit. I release videos related to investing and personal finance each week. If you have liked the video, then make sure to smash that thumbs up button and let me know. Remember to subscribe to the channel and push the notifications bell so that you don't miss on the upcoming videos. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.